What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another voted update, talking about vechain, seeing what's going on with vechain and the overall crypto market. Now, first things first, I know the markets were hit. Overall crypto market is down about 5% last time I checked, under a $800 billion market cap. We're sitting around at 790 levels. So that is a harsh position to be at. So obviously we're going to see projects like vechain, the smaller, considerably smaller cap meme coins on the DeFi side, be hit hard when we see some of those blue chips like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, get hit. So let's take a look first at vechain's Twitter page. We're going to talk about a few things going on over here. Then we're going to look at the charts and do some technical analysis. Now, y'all know what I'm going to say. If you've been buying Vote, if you've seen what just happened and you weren't able to participate, we got a 34% dip, y'all. So let's check this out real quick. We are 1 year away from the vechain, 1 month away from the vechain 1 year anniversary. Shout out to Pablo holding it down, all the influencers, partners, everybody that's rocking with the Vote Army. Shout out to Reem. He said, whatever crypto you buy on ERC20 and BEP20, if you buy it on vechain, it will burn. Don't miss. So, make sure y'all check this out. Vechain is allowing you to purchase any cryptocurrency, ERC20 side or BEP20 side, automatically. Once it's transacted on vechain, it will burn a 0.25% fee of the token traded and also a 0.25% fee of vechain. So this is making every token traded on it deflationary. We've never seen anything like this, especially some of the other features that vechain has as well, like the limit order function and the peer-to-peer function. Now, those features aren't live yet, but we know that they are coming. Also, there will be some charting software as well. So, connect the dots, man. Vechain is here to change the game. But let's see what else we got. Voltoshi says decentralization and burns are all you need to vote. Vechain is already trending, burning, and revolutionizing the DeFi space. So you can see almost 20,000 tweets when it came to that. Take a look at that compared to something like BitBoy Crypto with over 1 million followers on YouTube. And we're, basically at half the point, of relevancy or trendiness is he's saying. That's absolutely bullish for the Vote Army. So shout out to Ian as well. 25 seconds of some voted motivation for the week. Shout out to BNB Swap, said vechain Vote will be listed on official Yibi. Date 22nd at 11 UTC. The pair will be the Volt/USDT Volt/USDT pair. And then we got vechain is an ecosystem aimed at being one of the top shop offering DeFi products while bringing profits back to the native token to support its deflationary purpose. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart real quick. So right now we're at 65 centralized exchanges and 16 decentralized exchanges where you can buy your vechain at. So now we're gonna go take a look at the chart. We see the price right now down 34%, hovering at that 12.4 level. Let's look at the overall crypto market. Even shibainu is down heavily. So market's picking back a little bit, rebounding slightly. Earlier on my last video, we seen this number was at 4.99, so down basically 5%. We got Bitcoin at 16,127, Ethereum at 1130, down 7.2% on the day. We got BNB at 261, down 4.4%. Just in the last video, it was under that. I told y'all, we always see it pop right back above that. We got Doge at 7 cents, down 10%. XRP 35 cents, down 8.6%. Cardano at 30 cents, down 6.7%. Shibainu is down 5.4%, sitting back at that 8.6 level. So obviously, vechain, that first day we called the pullback nicely. We were not expecting this second wave of this pullback, but sometimes that's what happens. You just have to be prepared for it And this is why in one of the videos earlier I dropped and said stop reliving or experiencing the same pain over that you already dealt with, that you already been past. We know that the markets go up and down. We know they have, impulses and corrections. When it's on that correction, just understand it's all a part of the game. We've been in these levels before. There's nothing different. You just got to realize that some people are selling to take a profit at a higher number. The name of the game is buy low, sell high. Now remember, this is not financial advice, not telling you what to do, but some people's goal is just to buy for a short term, and when they see those gains, they're going to cash out. So what we seen happen right here, on top of the overall market pulling back, this could have been one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of situations, which we talked about that in the video as well. Now, however, I'm confident that the price will go back up. Usually we see Botoshi or community members come step in and really, eat the dip. So, that usually pushes the price right back to where we kind of left off at. So, am I bearish? Do I feel any type of way? Am I discouraged about vechain? Absolutely not. I'm still bullish. The price down 34.69%, back to that 12 level. If you were one of the people FOMOing, buying all the way at the tops up here at the 23 level, 2200 level, if you were buying in that range, 2000 level, you should definitely be taking advantage of this price right here. But that's all we got for this video. Actually, that's not all we got. We got a couple more things we got to talk about. 24-hour volume, 1.49 million, so almost $1.5 million trading through vechain in the last day. So let's take this off real quick. Let's look at a few of our indicators just to see, what's likely to play out while we're here. So let's look at RSI first, relative strength index. Sheesh. We got vechain at a 33, absolute buy signal. Can't tell you this is financial advice because it's not. Look at it more like financial awareness, financial education, financial entertainment, whatever you want to call it. It's not advice. But when we see the RSI on a 35 or below, that means the asset is considered oversold. Vechain is oversold right now. People aren't recognizing the true value, which they sold a little bit, heavy. Some people panicking, maybe seeing the overall market going red, and some people want to get out of those positions. But right now, that is a strong buy signal. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, also price trading right along that lower Bollinger Band. This is usually a sign unless you're getting it for a good price. Now, it could pull down to this 11 level. We could possibly see that. We also try to look left in the chart to determine previous support and resistance areas. We know previous resistances become new supports, and failed supports could become new resistance areas. So if we look left in the chart, we can see it starts to, touch around in this area here. Okay, so it's looking, like we know these Bollinger Bands here, this band, this upper band here, and this lower band. We know that basically there's a 95% chance that the price will remain within that channel. That's what that is telling us. Now, of course, there's sometimes that it breaks out and goes, outside of it. But for the most part, it stays in this range. And if you buy it in this level, then most likely you can, even if it pulls back slightly, you can wait for it to rebound and take you even higher. Now, this is not financial advice, remember that. But let's look at a couple other indicators, because we didn't see the price pulling back down this far. I think at the most, I probably would have said around this range right here, around that 13 level where that previous resistance was kind of forming, which if you notice here, we almost did hold there. Where we at? Okay, so if you notice, we almost did hold around this range. Actually, the price so here's our previous resistance area. Okay, so our price actually, it broke right below it, started to find support matching up with this area right here. I would have been looking right here. This area is just a little bit lower, but that's what they do. That's why I tell y'all always give or take a little bit, because that area we're targeting, all the rest of the investors that understand technical analysis can see this as well. So you want to kind of keep that in mind. but we know that we're paying a good price. We know that it is oversold right now. Also, let's look at our MACD. Yeah, this is ready to pop. Whenever this line crosses back above this line, that's going to be a signal for buyers to step in even further. So even right now, it's likely to start turning around. But even as it does that, more and more buyers will step in as they see that MACD line cross over that signal line. But that's all we got for this video. A good discount, y'all. Very, very good discount. A chance to be able to recoup or buy again for 34% off from what, you know, people were just buying yesterday. Or if you were one of those people, you can bring down your average cost. But I'm DecemberDeMarco. That's all we got for this video. I got my DeFi course. Actually, it's not my course. I do have my DeFi course. I got my stock options trading course I have available right now. My technical analysis course is available right now. And these are full courses. My crypto 101 course is available right now. But right now I have a DeFi class. So I'm teaching a class on decentralized finance, teaching you, you know, everything you need to know, how to stay safe, the differences between things, you know, how to invest in DeFi and be a part of DeFi, you know, how to keep you. I'm sure y'all heard of this FTX scandal where the central exchange stole billions of funds from its users. So I'm going to be teaching in this class how to avoid that, to make sure that that never happens to you. So if you're interested in getting a ticket for this class, it's a very wise investment. Reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also, follow me on Twitter and Instagram @DecemberDeMarco.